Earlier this year, the National Association of Realtors, NAR, reached a settlement with the Department of Justice regarding NAR's cooperative compensation policy. Unfortunately, much of the media coverage surrounding the settlement has been misleading, with claims that real estate commissions have been or will be dramatically reduced. For example, an article in Politico quoted the lead attorney for the plaintiff, Michael Ketchmark, saying homeowners are no longer required to make offers of compensation to buyers' agents. This is incorrect. Sellers were never required to offer compensation to buyers' agents in the first place. They could offer any amount, including, in fact, nothing. What Mr. Ketchmark should have said was this: sellers and listing agents are no longer permitted to disclose the buyer-broker commission amount in the MLS, because that's what the settlement actually prohibits, disclosing the buyer-broker's commission in the MLS. Sellers can still compensate buyer agents, just not through the MLS. This information can still be shared via other means, such as websites, emails, text messages, or phone calls. Furthermore, buyers can request seller compensation for their brokers during negotiations, which has always been common practice. Another aspect of the settlement requires listing agreements to state that commissions are negotiable, which is something most sellers already know. In all my years of selling, I've never met a seller who didn't already understand this. Ultimately, these changes are not likely to significantly alter how sellers compensate buyer brokers, as market fundamentals remain unchanged. Real estate commissions have always been fully negotiable and driven by local market conditions. Further, sellers offer compensation not out of generosity, but to incentivize buyer brokers to bring potential buyers. If sellers offer no such compensation, they risk disadvantaging themselves vis-a-vis their competitors who do. And none of these economic realities/market fundamentals are in any way impacted by the terms of the settlement between NAR and the DOJ. The impact of the settlement is minimal and overblown in the media. From a seller's perspective, this is much ado about nothing. Have questions about the NAR/DOJ settlement or anything else involving real estate? Please don't hesitate to contact me, Andrea Clark of Professional One Real Estate, anytime. I love helping people, and I'd love to help you with your next real estate purchase or sale.